Hello my YouTube family, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to the House of Jane. So today I have the August 2023 Silver Swag box. This is a box for seniors and for adults. I've opened this box for a while on my channel and I will say this over and over again. Yes, it is for seniors, but if you have like adult children, especially college-aged children away from home, this is the perfect box to send them because the items in here really cover a broad range of things that they make me happy. So I think they're gonna make your peoples happy. So let me show you the box. You get this by UPS. I did look at the contents because I couldn't help myself. And I like to be prepared. You normally get 5 to 7 items in every box. And this one says, hello, August. But before I show you anything, I do want to tell you some program changes with Silver Swag. Right now, they changed that no matter if you get month to month, 6 month, or 12-month subscription, you're going to get free shipping, and the shipping is provided by UPS. So that is a great deal. And I do have a new affiliate code for you where you're going to get 40% off. This is for new members only on the month to month subscription. You will get 40% off using my code House of Jane 40. I'll put it right here in the description box below, and a free gift. If you decide to go 6 months or 1 year, you don't need to use my code, but if you go 6 month subscription, again, free shipping, you're gonna get a free welcome box. And if you do an annual subscription, you're gonna get the monthly boxes, a free welcome box, and a really nice cooler. And regardless if you do month to month, 6 month, or 12 month, you're gonna get monthly codes for discounts from their shop because you can buy one-off individual items from their shop. So that is, oh, I saw something fly into my face. Sorry about that. So that is, so those are the new details for Silver Swag. Let me show you the box. This is one of my favorites. I don't know why. They just make me happy. Probably because of the happy items they put in. So it's Hello August. It comes with a pink tissue paper. There's always the cards in here. This one's theme for this month is called Inside Scoop. And on the back of this card are conversation starter type questions that you can do with the senior in your life. Sometimes you need some help with conversations, starter kind of things. This one is all around ice cream. You know, what's your favorite flavor? Do you have any unique toppings? Stuff like that. My favorite flavor is peanut butter and chocolate, and then strawberry. So that is the conversation card. And then we always get a card saying, thanking us for being part of the Silver Swag community box, and it has all their socials. And on the back, you get an itemized listing of all the contents in the box. So I'm just gonna take out the first one on top. This is a pint-sized ice cream handler. Sorry, I had to look at something and my eyesight is not that great. So let's open this up. This is really cool. Now this is if you have eat ice cream out of a pint. I always get the half gallon. But this is really cute. There's a little place for you to put your spoon right here, or actually right in here. So let's, that's where you put your spoon. And it's really nicely made. You put your pint in here and it keeps your hands warm. This is good for seniors, for adults, especially for little kids, you know, but they'll eat that whole pint of ice cream. This is really cute. And the inside, it's nicely well made. I'm a sewer, So I can tell this is well made and it is stretchy. So this will work with the pints. That's the first item we got. Then, I have a pen in my hand, but we also got a pen by Bruno Visconti. And it is a pen with little ice cream bars on it, pink and green. Very attractive pen. Let's see what color it writes. And it is, I would say, 0.5 millimeter blue pen. It writes very nice, feels good. Okie dokie. And then there's another small item we got here. This is an artisan bath lip scrub. And it's a lip sugar scrub. Oh wow, it smells like Neapolitan ice cream, exactly like Neapolitan. So what you do is you wet your lips, you rub it on, and then you lightly rinse it off. And the sugars in this really exfoliate your lips. I happen to use sugar scrub all the time, every evening before I go to bed. So this is really a nice addition that will definitely be used. Then we got a game called Brain Freeze. It's a family-friendly game for 3 to 10 players, ages 10 up. It takes about 25 minutes to do this game. It is wrapped up. I'm going to open it up. I love how it's in a little ice cream container, the size that you would need for your pints. Look at that. It fits perfectly. I just realized that now. And I think this is a card game. It is. It is a card game. It says, come on, don't eat the cards. And there's a lot of cards in here. And what you do is you draw one card at a time. You draw from the deck. I'm gonna have to figure this out. This video will be too long for me to figure out the game for you, but it does look like a lot of fun and a good family type game to play. There we go, Brain Freeze. Put it back in there. We also got Note Pals. So if you watch any of my videos, I love planning with me type videos, journal videos, and these are great for your journal. There are sticky tabs, not only for your journal, but to use as a bookmark. There's various sticky tabs in here, probably, I would say at least 50 or 100 tabs in here because there's layers of tabs. So that is really cute. And I do find these really good as bookmarks. You just grab them and you can mark your page and it sticks on there. Then we got Sunday night chocolate sauce, sweet and rich chocolate. This is for ice cream sundaes. And it says one sauce, 1,000 ideas. So you can put it on ice cream, cake, cookies, desserts, you name it. This is the Sunday night sauce, a little over 9 ounces, 9.2 ounces in a glass jar. I do love me some chocolate sauce. I like it too much, actually. And then the last thing in the box we got is, a box of cookies. These are 6 servings in a container. They're ice cream sundae cookies, chocolate chip cookies with sprinkles on them. So that looks delightfully tasty. And now the last thing we got is brownie batter brownies. Sunday night brownie batter batteries. So you would use brownie mix, and they tell you how to make the brownies. And you would also use this chocolate sauce. You need a half cup of this sauce to make the brownies. And look how delicious that looks. And if you save recipe cards in like postcard format. This is great to stick in a recipe holder. So that is the box for August. The next box I will open will be in December. All affiliates are gonna get 4 boxes a year as far as I know, and we rotate every 3 months we get a box. So this was the August box. Thank you, Silver Swag, for sending me this lovely box for my review. Quick recap, we got the brownie mix, the recipe card, the chocolate sauce, the lip scrub, and I swear by these, I really do, the tabs for your planners or just as a bookmark, the game, which I will figure out off camera, and this pint holder so your hands don't get all cold, and the pen, which is really cute. And I don't have a lot of blue pens, so that's really nice. Let me know your thoughts. I will leave all the details down below on how to get this box, my code, which yes, it's an affiliate code, but I'm going to be quite honest with you, I don't make any money from it. It's just to pass on to you and to give you the discount. And if you do go month to month, you will get a special gift. And that affiliate code for 40% off is just for the month to month subscription. So feel free to use my code if you want. And I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.